the rights of women and girls are seriously at risk. The Inamahoro movement, Women and Girls for Peace and Security, was dismayed to see images of some 30 Burundian women and girls who had left to seek employment in Arab countries and were found held hostage in Uganda by human traffickers. The Ugandan newspaper, The Observer, reported on 7th of April 2021 that one of the 5 men involved in this human trafficking personally sexually exploited some of these women and sold others to other men for the same goal. Some time ago, the Burundian police discovered a place in Bujumbura where around 100 women were locked up waiting to be sent to Arab countries. The Inamahoro movement appreciates and encourages the Burundian police for this vigilance. We also thank the Ugandan police who were able to rescue these 30 women. For Inamahoro, the trafficking and sexual harassment to which Burundian women and girls are victims is the result of the trivialization of violation of human rights and the culture of corruption of state institutions which exploit the impoverishment of families by pushing women and girls in traps set for them by predators posing as employers. We say in Kirundi, ngo winjira ishambo utazi, ugaca inkoni utazi. How could we possibly understand that such a number of women and girls, generally very poor, obtain expensive travel documents, organize themselves, and cross borders without being seen and intercepted? Is the National Anti-Trafficking Program unable to dismantle the network behind this trafficking? The Inamahoro movement launches a vibrant appeal to the government of Burundi to resolutely engage all its legal and institutional mechanisms in the relentless fight against human trafficking, particularly that of which women and girls in search of jobs outside the country are victims. Finally, the Inamahoro movement invites all women organizations as well as all women leaders to join forces in the alert and information campaign for women and girls seeking employment. All attractive offers of employment in foreign countries and all other travel, transit, and settlement facilities are often irregular, clandestine, illegal, and never free. They usually expose them to domestic slavery, sexual exploitation, or even death.